Hi everyone, so now we have everything set up. Here I can see my project, NestJS application which contains the controller, module, services. Okay, I have the Docker containers up and running. You can see there are two containers. One is Redis and one is the database. Database is clean. We just bootstrap the clean database without any tables. So we should be able to bootstrap the database with some tables using type ORM. Okay, so what we will do is let's take a look on to some basic setup. Okay, how we are going to return the cookies using Simple Express app, right? That will also tell us how to deal with the cookies. So let's consider that you are writing a Simple Express Node.js application, and here we are doing mock implementation, how to return the cookies. Okay, so I installed Express, and here I just wrote a simple logic app login, right? Where I'm just doing a mock implementation. So whenever authentication is done, okay, username password is correct, I'm returning response.cookies. So this is how I'm sending cookies to the client. HTTP only true, secure true for production, and there is some expiry set. And when the request is coming to the server with the private endpoint, like this is a protected API, then you will get a cookies like this request.cookies.token. So here you set the cookies in the response from the first API, from the login API. Now you are accessing your own profile information after you successfully logged in. So you are accessing cookies using request.cookies.token. If you are passing token, you will be authenticated. Otherwise, you are passing token. I will validate you with the token with the same secret which I have, and I will say welcome user, right? And once you do the logout, you can just clear out the cookies, response.clear cookies. So it will wipe out all the cookies sent by server to the client. So this is how you will make the cookies secure. This is like a bare bone minimum setup of doing this thing. We will also be doing the same thing in the NestJS. Just like we will introduce database, passport strategy, JSON web token, local strategy, all those concepts we will just add with the NestJS. But there also we will be doing the same thing. We will generate a token once the username password is correct in the database. We will return a cookies, and the same cookies we will be able to access in the middleware to check, okay, you are passing token is valid, we decoded it represents a correct user, and you will be allowed to access the resources. And on the logout, you can clear the cookies and send the response back. So let's try to implement this logic in the NestJS with all required building blocks.